Hey guys, what's up? This is Vamshi from Geek Gods. We have just seen the unboxing of the new Samsung Galaxy S2. Now we're just gonna take a close look of the device. We can just see over here, the mobile is smart enough. We just keep it aside for a few moments, and we can see the box. We have all the specifications in the box. It's a dual core device with 1.2 gigahertz, and it has an 8MP autofocus camera with single LED flash and a front facing camera also. It does full 1080 pixels HD video recording, and it can play multi codec like .mp4, .avi and all, and it has a Wi-Fi connectivity as well as a hotspot of 802.11 B by G by N by A, and it has a Bluetooth 3.0. It has the highest the fastest Bluetooth network right now, and it has GPS, geotagging and everything else. This comes with 16 GB internal memory. And coming on with the phone right now, it's a very slim mobile. We can see it. We have removed the cover. It's a very slim mobile. See, on the mobile on the right side we just have the power on off key, and on the top we can see the 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the left hand side we can see the volume rocker, and in the front we can see only one hard key, and we have the front facing camera and a couple of sensors with the proximity and remaining. And turning at the back, we have a neat plastic. We like to make this sound, you know that, and a Samsung logo, and an 8 megapixel autofocus camera with the single LED flash, and the speaker right at the bottom. And thickness is very low, and you can measure the thickness with one of the Sony Ericsson mobiles. This phone is how slim. It is slimmest and smartest phone right now in the market. And just put it aside, and just let's on the device. Here we have the power key. Here comes up Samsung Galaxy S2 GT i9100. You can see, and this phone has a Super AMOLED display. As many of us just say AMOLED, but none of us actually know what does AMOLED means. It means active matrix organic light emitting diode. It has smartest display. You can see here it's so vibrant. Just unlock and see, as it is a rainy season, we can see those water droplets on the screen. It's looking so cute, you can say. And we have the standard. It runs on Android 2.3.3. That's Gingerbread, and we can see 7 home screens, and we can increase it also. And we can see 2 touch sensitive icons, and you can open the menu. See, we have the standard Android notifications bar. Here you can get the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and all. And next, going on to the applications, we have a standard looking like Macintosh look. You can just slide out. You can just see the features. It has many applications inbuilt, and I'll just quickly show you the settings of the phone. About the phone, see, the phone is actually using Android 2.3.3, which is a Gingerbread version, and the battery is 1650 milliamp. And see, the touch is too fast. We'll just see it once, and we can see it's how smooth the touch is. It's a 4.3 inches capacitive touchscreen. You can just see I'm just moving it so slowly. The touch is really responsive. This is what expected by Samsung nowadays. And we have the applications menu. You can just see the music. Just play a couple of songs, and I'll just show you the audio clarity. You can just increase the sound by the We have seen the audio clarity just amazing, and we have seen several options in the audio one, like the 5.1 channel or the equalizers, and even by touch we can just take care of the volume settings. Just going back, and this uses a TouchWiz 4.0. That's the latest one of Samsung. See, the touch is really fast, and seeing about the applications, it's already installed with many of the applications. Example, Angry Birds, an amazing display. It takes some time to open up, though it's a 1.2 gigahertz processor. Many levels, so I didn't unlock the other one. Can you see the processor is just seriously fast, and you see you see even the pinch to zoom works here. You see, when we can do all this, the graphics are really nice. And this is what is the Angry Birds app. Just quickly get out of this. And speaking more, the application will just see whether it supports live wallpapers. And as we tap the screen, we get 4 options in the bottom, like the standard Android 2.3 version. We go for wallpapers. We get the live wallpapers. We'll try to set anyone, the Galaxy. Set wallpaper. You can see how quickly it changes. It's actually very good. The display is called Super AMOLED. You can see it's seriously nice. And just let's take on to the other widgets what are available. Going for widgets, we have accurate weather, the standard notifications, and we have already told you it has an 8 megapixel camera. Autofocus, we just try to do with that. Where is it? The camera, yeah. Here's the camera. Just try to remove a photo of this. Small picture. You can just click it. There's no hard key for it. Oh. And the photo is seriously good. Image. As you can see, our Gigot Seth right over there, he's just sitting and chatting with his friends. And I just look a bit scary, but I'm not actually.
Yeah, you are scary.
And then another feature of this mobile is you can just catch it like this and just take it over here. You zoom. When you see our Gigot 3, Mr. Karthik is just playing with the mobile. He's not giving me that. He liked the phone actually. He's saying it has beaten the new N8 of his. I have this video is being recorded by the N8, Nokia N8 with the Bele version. That's the latest version of Symbian. It's seriously nice, and you can see how it zooms. You can just catch and drag it towards you. It zooms. See, can you see how it zooms? Can you see? This is an amazing feature from Samsung. Can you see it? And there's a multitask. And see, the gyroscope is seriously it's very fast. It has got 1 GB RAM, the mobile. You can just see it has got TouchWiz 3.0. See, you guys got TouchWiz 3.0. See, you can see that it's totally changing however we move it. We move the device, and it's going back now. And here we can see many widgets right now. We just click onto the phone, the keypad. The keypad, you can just see a standard one. We'll just take out of that later. And thank you. The total review is going to come in the next video. Just do watch it. Thank you. And this whole video of the 3 videos are recorded with the Nokia N8 with the Bel Air version. We are soon going to do more video of that also. Do watch it and do subscribe to Geekwords. Thank you.